Friends, have you ever felt that no matter how hard you work, something is pulling you down at office? Today I will tell you the full emotional story of Rahul from Bengaluru. What is office politics? How it works? How it destroys good people? What happens to companies? And the best ways to fix it early. But there is a shocking twist in Rahul's story that changed everything. Stay till the end. Rahul was a 28-year-old software engineer in a big IT company in Whitefield, Bengaluru. He was honest, hard-working, and very good at his job. Clients always praised his work, but slowly the game started. Priya, his teammate, began taking credit for Rahul's ideas in team meetings. Arjun made a small group and left Rahul out of important discussions. Rahul thought, if I work harder, everything will be fine. But politics is not about hard work only. It is about relationships, information, and power. Rahul started coming home late and stressed. He lost sleep. He stopped sharing new ideas. He felt alone even in a team of 20 people. Good employees like Rahul slowly lose confidence. Many good people quit or get blamed for things they did not do. Some even fall into depression. For the company, politics brings big losses. Talented people leave, wrong decisions are made, and team spirit dies. Productivity falls. The company starts going in the wrong direction without even knowing it. Now comes the twist, friends. One day, Rahul was working late. He accidentally saw some old chat messages on a common laptop. He discovered that Priya and Arjun were not the real problem. The real twist was their manager was encouraging the politics on purpose. The manager created small groups and favoritism so that employees would compete with each other instead of becoming united and asking for better salary or promotions. This way, the manager looked powerful and saved money for the company. Rahul was shocked. The same manager who praised him was playing this dirty game. But Rahul did not get angry and quit. Instead, he used smart steps. He started keeping records of all his work. He built genuine relationships with other honest colleagues. He spoke politely but directly to the manager about his contributions. He stayed neutral and focused only on results. Slowly, other good employees joined him. The manager's game became visible to the higher bosses. In the end, the manager was transferred. Priya and Arjun lost their power, and Rahul got promoted. He also helped start a better open culture in the team. So how can you spot and fix office politics early? Early signs: people hiding information, too much gossip, some are always favored, blame game after mistakes. What you can do: 1. Document your work. Save all emails and files. 2. Stay neutral. Don't join any group. 3. Build real helpful relationships with everyone. 4. Focus on your results and keep learning new skills. 5. If it is very bad, talk calmly to HR or look for better opportunities. What companies should do: make clear rules, train managers, reward real work, not politics, and create open feedback culture. When everyone follows good politics, the whole company grows faster. Friends, office politics is a real game in every Indian office, especially in Bengaluru IT. It can destroy good employees and take companies in the wrong direction. But like Rahul, you can win with smartness and patience. You are the hero of your own story. Choose good politics. Work hard, but also work smart. If this story touched your heart, please like, share with your office friends, and comment below. What politics have you seen? Subscribe for more real workplace stories from India. Remember, stay strong, stay honest. Your better days are coming. Namaste. See you in the next story.